There is a sound in the hearts of God's people that the world is waiting to be released. There is a sound in the hearts of God's people that the world is waiting for. Creation is longing for the manifestation of the sons of God. It's time for us to release that sound so that the whole world will know of God's love and compassion. Sound of peace, and it's flowing out of me. This is a sound that will heal the brokenhearted and bring comfort to the least of these. Like in Amos, and righteousness a never-flowing stream. We'll be the ones to release that sound. Lord, we won't hold on, but we'll open up our mouth and we'll cry aloud so that the world will know of your love and your compassion. That sound is on the inside of us. There is a sound. There is a sound, the sound of hope, sound of love, drawing all to come. There is a sound. They're thirsty, and they're desperate for the sound of heaven. We won't hold on any longer, but we'll be the generation that will rise up and declare, we